Runway Queen, Rosario Reynon, to please, Mrs. Rosario Reynon for the sash. And our winner for Mrs. Runway Queen is candidate number 14. Yan and their group leader. Kung sino po ang mananalo, nakahanda na po dapat yung mga group leader para nandito rin po kayo to assist. Or maybe, ganito na lang po, may I request all the group leaders to be here backstage